Hey guys, this is Canon PIXMA TS7650. I received a question. Someone asked how to print documents from mobile phone to this printer. To print your document, you need to first of all make sure that the printer and mobile phone are connected to the same network, and my printer and mobile phone are connected to the same network. Okay, to print your document, there are two ways to do this. So the first option is for you to go to your file. So go to my file. Now select documents. Now select the document. So the document is opening up. Now this is 2 pages document. To print this document out, you just need to gently tap it on it. It gives you option for you to edit, print, upload to cloud, share, and more. So select print. Then you need to scroll down and look for Canon printer TX7650 series is available. You need to select on it. Once you select on it, then you wait for the printer to be ready. You will see a yellow printer icon. Now this document, you can scroll down to select how many copies, and colored, double-sided, paper size, orientation. So you just need to scroll down from the arrow. You will see arrow for you to print this colored or black. So we want to print this colored. Now scroll again to double-sided. We want to print this double-sided long edge. Then you select long edge. Then the next option is for you to print the paper size. Scroll down for you to change particular paper. What we have here is A4 paper. Orientation is portrait. If you want to print landscape, then you select landscape. We want to print portrait, and we want to print all. If you want to select range, then you print particular range. If you want to print only page 1, then you select from range. And once you've done all the settings, then you select print. Now this document is going to print from this printer. See, it's communicating. So it's going back in to print the second page. Okay, so this is the document we printed out, double-sided. Now, another way for you to print this document is for you to go to the app. So go to Canon Print app. And this is the Canon Print app. And this printer is ready. Okay, so then you select print document. Then you select from smartphone. Then the next thing is you need to go to wherever you save the document, select print. It will start to process it. So this document is 2 pages, but I only want to print only 1 page. So you select next. So select current page, select OK. Now you select, go to the settings, you select how many copies, paper size, so go to the settings. Okay, then the next thing you need to select how many copies. Want to print this one and print with paper that is set on the printer. You select OK. If you don't want to select in that way, then you select A4 paper and plain paper, and also print double-sided long edge. But this document is, we're only printing one, so there's no need to print double. So select same place. Then you go back and select print. Now it's preparing to print. There we go. Okay, this is the document we printed out. One thing, and it will tell you printing is completed. It will show you good mark. You select OK. One thing I noticed is printing from the app tend to be quicker than when compared to if you are printing from the other way. Okay, the other way was a bit slow, but when you are printing from the Canon print app, the print job is very quick. Now, so these are ways to print documents from this printer. Like if you want to print documents, for instance, you can also select print pages. You select page, okay, and type 2 of 2 if you want to print on page 2 of 2. So you can select 2 of 2 for you to print only page 2. You can select 1 to 1 if you want to print only page 1, okay, or you select all. So now we're going to print 2 of 2, which is only the second page, okay, and select print. Now this document is going to print page 2. There we go. So this is the document we printed out. Okay, only page 2 of 2, and they're showing us now printing is completed. Select OK. So guys, this is how to print your document, okay, from this printer with your mobile phone in 2 formats. If you are happy with this tutorial, please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you, and stay blessed.